This is our welder for the pail, or it can be used for the 18-liter square can. The key parts we use all ceramic roller. All these ceramic rollers. The crown is also ceramic. It's a bright ceramic. And also the side roller is also ceramic. The press is also ceramic. We do the feeding from the back and linear feed directly to the roll forming. So there is no scratch. It's not the traditional jagging technology. This is the suck and linear feed. And you can lift up this side with cylinders. And if you have any double sheet jam, the machine is no stop, continuous working, and the double sheet reject to the gas bin. And we have a special long roll forming system. It's very long. It's longer than the others because we can ensure better roll forming, and also we have a double sheet rejection system, and there is a central lubrication. From here, we do the welding, and there are 4 servo motors in this machine. One is for the pusher, one is for the feeder, and the other is for the wire driving, and there is a third finger pusher. The third finger pusher is used to make short can. And if you see the length of our body is longer than the traditional one, because after the roll forming here, from the roll forming to this position, it's going like this. And from here to the front point, it's going like parallel. So by this way, it's better to make the longer can, especially more than 350. By this way, we can ensure the overlap. This is very important for the other suppliers. From roll forming up to the welding roller, the overlap is like this. But for us, it's like this and go for parallel, and from parallel to welding. So our machine is longer. It's longer than the traditional one. And if you want to change can height, you can set the can height by touch panel. It's automatically adjust. You just put the number and the pusher automatically moving because it's controlled by servo motor. And you can see we are running 60 can per minute. It's very fast, 60 can per minute. Now I'll run the machine. And there is a separate frequency inverter here. You can adjust the front point and the back point for the welding to control the welding. And our frequency inverter is controlled by water. It's water cooling. It's a water cooling system. And we have different color to separate the inlet and outlet of water. 哪一个好的？This is the welding. And we have air condition here. And the wire cutting is same as European design. It's glass. The air condition running, cooling inside. The system is Mitsubishi. Servo motor and PLC is Mitsubishi system. Frequency is neither. Siemens relay.